Welcome to watch today's fresh home. In a respectful homage to the 1920s origin of the Spanish-style residence, Los Angeles Spanish is renovated to connect to its current custodian. David Lucido adopts a modest and restrained approach to connect past and present, overlaying clarity to the planning and opening up the interior to the elements. Purchased from afar and sight unseen, the owner of Los Angeles Spanish could envision a future past the ill-fitting additions of previous iterations. In engaging David Lucido, the aim was to bring a European sensibility to the home, focusing on crafted details, texture, and openness. Originally built in the 1920s and in the popular Spanish style so prevalent within California, the allowance for indoor-outdoor living remained. However, a series of dramatic revisions and amendments were needed to allow movement within the home to flow more effortlessly. After repairing structural, pest, mold and asbestos damage, David Lucido turned the focus to modernizing the home while retaining connections to the past.